flight to Dubai. Sorry if it's a little noisy. So today we are gonna do some unboxing on a flight. It's the first time anyone has done unboxing on a flight. They gave some toys and I'm going to unbox them on a flight for the first time. So here we have a baby one, baby wipes, type of like a baby type. So let's open it out. Mama, do you have anything you can help? Pouch we have a small cute pouch where we have a cover, a key. Then we have another cover, soap, I think, fiber rash cream, and baby wet wipes. So it fell down. Next comes this package. It's a Savannah Animals Adventure Buddy. Animals Adventure Buddy. So we have a small cup. No, it's a whole thing. So here we have a small strap with a small elephant, a cuddly elephant. So let's see what is this. It's a small blanket for kids. It's a shirt. It's a jungle type of. Yeah, it's a jungle. So that's this one. I'll be using this maybe. Sleep like this. So this is also small. It's like a sleeping one. Next we have a penguin, a cuddly penguin. This is a comfort buddy. It's a comfort buddy, a penguin comfort buddy. It's a keychain slash snuggle. You can also take me within your bag by clipping it. Let's see how it is. Small tiny one. It's pocket size. You can clip it in. So this is the penguin. Next we have another one of the blankets. It's a lion. Before that, show you this. It's a buddy. It's the same blanket, except it's a lion. Let's see. Small cuddly. Papa, another blanket. It's a good one. Maybe a lion out of the plushies we get. So where's the lion? So here we have the lion keychain. the same as the penguin one. And let's open it. Here it is. It's a little slippery. Next we have what is this? It's a suitcase. It's a suitcase with something inside. It's another one. Pretty cool. So let's try. Here we have a color pencil with a stick. Small type of thing, puzzles, different puzzles. We have a card, puzzle cards. We have some puzzle cards, stickers. So this is the stickers. Here are the game cards. One sec. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. And then there are more. There's a peel. Behind this there are pictures like that one and all of this. You know the small thing about the back. What is this? Oh, I understood. Oh my god, that's cool. And I think it's the eraser. No, it's not. It's drawings. So cool. Got the blue one. See, as you can see, nothing happens to that. Actually, all the invisible, like, if you want to send a message to your friend, you should do like that. When they get this black paper, just do like this. Whoa! So it's like an auto erasing, like if you just like this. I don't know the science of this. Hello. Comes when you move it, put it back. So please do sub and like Kitcha. So guys, that's really interesting, and let's see this. But that's one magic. So let's try the panda one. Look at this mess. So next we have Fly With Me Animal magazine. So here we have my name. You can write your name or chapters. Shows all the countries and their animals, maze, puzzles. Here See, beach day, there are different puzzles. Here also, lots of puzzles. There are so many puzzles. So that's one thing I love. Here we have another panda one. So let's unbox this. It's the same thing. So it'll just be like different panda style one. So I'll just keep this aside. Here we have the stickers and some color pencils. We have red, orange, black, no, brown, yellow, green, black, and blue. So that's it, guys. So, oh my god, see when you style. As you can see now, all of these toys